In this video, we'll go through the process of cutting and installing your pergola's braces. Note that some shots in this video are temporally out of sequence, so bear with us. Start by marking your braces to length, and then marking the 45-degree angled cuts on the ends. Using a circular saw, cut the ends of the brace. Many of our pergola designs use double 2x members for the braces. If this is the case with your pergola, use the first piece as a template to mark the second, and cut it out as well. Using an exterior rated adhesive, glue the two pieces of the brace together and clamp. Then nail the two pieces together, using about 10 nails per brace. Check the brace detail on the plans, and mark the start and end of the decorative curve on the brace. There are multiple ways to trace the curve, but perhaps the easiest is to use a flexible ruler. Place clamps at the ends of the curve, and then flex the ruler to trace out the curve to the appropriate depth. In this example, we use a bandsaw to cut the curve. However, this can also be done with a jigsaw. If you use a jigsaw, we recommend cutting the curves before gluing the pieces together, as cutting the full thickness of the brace with the jigsaw blade can be difficult. Depending on how diligent you are with cutting the curve, you may need to sand it a bit to clean it up or to make the two pieces of your brace match up. After cutting one brace, you can use it as a template to trace the remaining braces of the same type. While not strictly necessary, we recommend using an 1/8 inch roundover bit on the cut edge to make it easier on the hands and resist splintering. Next, use an appropriately sized Forstner bit, or spade bit, to drill a counterbore for the fasteners at the bottom of the brace. Then use a long drill bit to pre-drill through the brace for the fasteners. Make a mark on your brace denoting the bottom of the beam where the brace fastens, and then clamp the top of the brace at this location. It may be helpful to shoot in a nail at the bottom to hold the brace in place. Fasten the brace to the beam as specified on the drawings. Again, using a long drill bit, pre-drill the post. You want to ensure that this drill bit is smaller than the thread diameter of the fastener so that the threads bite into the wood of the post. Then screw the fastener in tightly. Repeat as necessary for the remaining braces. Up next, we'll go through the process of installing the pergola rafters, so stay tuned.